Hello, this is Mr. K again. Welcome to part 7 of the Linkage Arm. Open up a new part in Inventor. Alright, so now we're going to create the linkage arm. This one is pretty simple. It's just two sets of circles on either end of a rectangle. So I think on this one, I'm starting a new sketch. I'm going to do it on the XZ plane so that I'm looking down on top of it. And I think this one to begin with, I'm going to start with my rectangle. And I'm going to make it so that it is the correct dimensions, 0.25 and 3.5. Zoom out a little bit. And now I'm going to put two circles that are in the center point on each side. So I'm going to take my circle tool, find that center point, and the first one is going to be, the big circle is going to be 0.1875, but that's a radius times 2. We need it to be diameter. And then there's a small circle inside of that, and that small circle is 0.128. Enter. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Find the center point, and I'm going to say 0.1875 times 2, and then the small circle is going to be 0.128. And so now all I need to do is go back in and trim. Now it's probably not going to let me trim everything. I don't want to trim this center circle. I just need to get it to where it's, there it's not letting me trim everything. But if I can create, oops, let's undo that one. I don't like that. If I can create that shape, it'll go all the way around as long as it's one shape all the way around. And so I think I'm good there. I'm going to finish my sketch, center it, extrude. I want that surface. I want to bring it up 0.125. And if I look at it from the top, it looks pretty dang good. Last thing I need to do is give it some color. On this one, I think it's one extrusion is the whole thing. I think on this one, I want to give it some cool diamond plate shaping. Maybe give it a little bit of a green yellow tinge. I think that looks pretty good. Pretty pleased with that. Say okay. Make sure you save it in the right spot.